If you're ready for a career change, cybersecurity is calling your name. And guess what? You don't need an IT background to answer. Hey there! Welcome to the future of your career. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields, and you don't need an IT degree to jump in. In fact, many successful cybersecurity professionals started from scratch just like you. First things first, get curious. Start with free online courses on platforms like Coursera or edX. These courses will introduce you to basic concepts and give you a taste of what cybersecurity is all about. Next, join online communities. Places like Reddit and LinkedIn have groups where you can connect with cybersecurity enthusiasts and professionals, ask questions, share your progress, and learn from others' experiences. Practical skills are a must, so look for hands-on labs and simulations. Websites like TryHackMe and Hack the Box offer real-world challenges that can boost your confidence and skills. Certifications can also open doors. Start with beginner-friendly certs like CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH. These show employers you're serious and knowledgeable. And don't forget soft skills. Problem solving, communication, and critical thinking are just as important in cybersecurity as technical know-how. So, ready to start your journey? Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Cybersecurity needs people like you, determined, curious, and ready to make a difference. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and let's secure the future together.